What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Chris and this is PnwRcMadness. Alright guys, check this out. So today we got some upgrades for your Traxxas Sledge. We haven't driven this thing in a while, but yeah, so it's fully upgraded right now with all these trill parts. The last time we took it out for a good bash, we actually bent the chassis. So we're gonna go ahead and GPM was so awesome to send me this brand new 7075 aluminum chassis. Part number SLE1612635BBK. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, she nice, guys. She is nice. Look at that. She nice. Comes assembled. Check that out. You got your diff mount, you got your servo mount, you got the battery tray. Comes with stainless steel screws. Looking super awesome. Let's go ahead, mount it up. All right, check this out, guys. Look at that. Let me show you what she looks like up close. Check out how thick it is. Super nice. All the machining is really well done. Check out that diff mount. Comes with all the hardware. The servo mount. There's the underside. Super nice. I believe they make these blue, black, silver, and blue, black, silver. That's it, blue, black, and silver. All right, check it out, guys. We're almost there. Pretty much just pulling all the screws out of the bottom. And one thing I wanted to show you guys about the chassis is that it has a rotated diff case, center diff. So we're going to go ahead and get this chassis completely unbolted. And then I'm going to show you how much they weigh, the stock chassis versus the GPM 7075 aluminum chassis. Oh, okay, check this out, guys. We're going to go ahead and weigh up just to see the comparison between the M2C and the GPM motor mount. So they are both 7075 aluminum, and right off the bat, I think I like the GPM better. Starting off, let me show you why. So when you mount up the center diff to your truck, it kind of sticks out a little bit on the side, and it's super close to your battery if you have a bad accident or something, or your strap slips or breaks. On the GPM mount, you have this little guard right there. Super nice. I'll show you that when we get it installed. And then on the M2C, there is no guard. All right, GPM diff mount, 4.8 ounces. M2C diff mount, 3.5 ounces. Okay, here we go. Turn on the scale. We're gonna go ahead and weigh up. Here's the stock chassis. Check it out, guys. It's pretty hammered. Oh, you can see it's bent. Look at that wiggle. So we're reading 13.9 ounces for the stock chassis. Guys, there we go. So there it is. GPM 7075 aluminum, super thick. 1 pound, 3.2 ounces. Wow. So 1 pound, 3.2 ounces versus 13.9. And so there it is. This is going to be the battery tray / servo mount. So we'll go ahead, guys, start assembling this thing. All right, one thing I want to show you guys, check this out. So when you go ahead and you mount up your motor mount, the GPM actually has a little bit bigger hardware, and it's going to be a 3mm. So you're going to have three 3mm. Let me show you these guys right here. Pretty nice. So those look like to be 3x16 or so. Come with like a little cone head washer. Something kind of cool I wanted to show you guys, a little bit bigger hardware on the GPM chassis. So we're gonna go ahead, mount up our Tekin motor, get it all bolted up, guys, and it's just as simple as that. We'll be back in the dirt and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, check this out real quick. I just wanna show you guys the measurements, the stock thickness. All right, so the stock chassis is 3 millimeters. All right, and let's go ahead and measure out. All right, so the GPM chassis is going to be 5 millimeters. Now, one thing I wanted to show you guys is, check this out. So the GPM has the reversed quick release motor mount, and this is the M2C motor mount, and it is stock. The motor actually sits toward the front of the truck, and on the GPM chassis, the motor sits toward the rear of the truck. All right, guys, check this out. So this is the stock, I'm just gonna call this like the bumper, I guess, and it's kind of integral with the skid plate. You see, kind of goes together like this. Well, anyways, since the chassis is a lot thicker, 2 millimeters to be exact, there's a little space right there in the back of the chassis and in the front of the chassis. See if I can point that out to you. Right there, there's a little bit of a space right there. Now that little notch right there is supposed to slide into that, and I'm having problems, it's not going in. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're just gonna wanna zip that little piece of plastic right off of there, and it should fit right on. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that off and get this thing put on the truck. Okay, so guys, the only other option would be to get the GPM ones. I know they make these in aluminum, and I'm sure they make them for your chassis. So check this out, it should just go right into place. No problem. I think this is the rear. Oh yeah, much better. So it wasn't going on before. Looks like I got a little bit to shave off on there still. And actually, guys, what is going on now is that is not deep enough. So we're gonna try and widen that up. That way the chassis can slide into there. All right, here we go. Plug them in. We're running the XT90s 6S. Brand new. Oh, the brand new body. I'm not sure. I think we turned the power down. Oh yeah, we did on the radio. All right, we gotta turn that back up. Wow, we were way down. All right, so here we go. Back to 100. There we go. Maybe that's why we're doing so good. Wow, here we go. That's better. I had it turned way down to like 67%. All right, guys, I didn't see that. I got a screw slipping out of there, but check out this chassis. Super nice. You can kind of get me in the sun a little better, guys. Here we go. Look at that. It's working out pretty awesome. So we're going to tighten up them screws and we're going to keep ripping. We found the water spigot. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. This will help a lot. Kind of break down some of that dust. Whew.